Hey guys, welcome back, and for this video I'm going to show you how to place an order on Fiverr. So as you can see on the top right hand corner besides your profile logo, there are no orders yet and there are no pending orders. So just go to the search bar and look for what service you want. Let's say logo design, just like that, and pick whatever seller you want to buy or place an order to. Let's try this. And you'll be redirected here and you'll see their examples or creations and their offers on the right side. You can go whatever you want. Let's try the basic one, and you could do whatever quantity you want, and you have their upgrades like that. And after you pick what you want, just click on continue. You'll be redirected here. You could pay with your credit or debit cards or with PayPal, then just click pay in here. So if you found this video helpful, simply leave a like below or subscribe because it helped me reach out more people. See you soon.